Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a Shein haul here. I mostly got things that I really needed, like a few things that I actually use all the time, so I just needed to stock up on those. But first I just want to show a few things that I got from TJ Maxx. I don't usually shop there a lot because the one out here by my house is so crowded all the time. It's just ridiculous. So I ended up going to my niece's, and so she lives about a little bit over an hour away. So we ended up going out there, and so I found a few little nail items. So first I found these nail clippers. The reason why I got this though is for the straight ones. I don't have any straight ones, and I wanted to get straight ones, so like if I want to, reshape my tips, and stuff. So like, to make coffin out of square or whatever. So that's why I got those, and they were only $3.99. So you get the regular and then the straight ones. And then I found these cuticle nippers. I needed some new ones. Mine were so dull. I had them forever. And these were $4.99. So I didn't think that was that bad. They look pretty nice, and it has a little cover thing on it, but it looks like it's cracked. And then these are so cute, and I've been wanting to try. These are the crystal nail files, but they're Minnie Mouse, and look at that. It has a little case, and then it has the pointy one and then the regular, let me see, yeah, 2 glass files and travel case. So yeah, I'm excited. I've never used these kind of files, so. Ooh. Oh, how weird. Yeah, I've never used. Don't mind my nails. I just took a set off that I just filmed, so don't mind that. Oh, wow. Oh, this is cool. Not a lot of dust either. Oh, wow, this is really cool. I love it. Cool. So yeah, go check out your TJ Maxx, and it has the little case too, a little travel case. And then the last thing I got here is this strawberry milk body lotion. It's made in Korea. I love the Korean skincare. That's all I use now is Korean skincare. But it's skin irritation tested. And oh gosh, it just smells so good, and it's so nice. Like the consistency and stuff it's not like super oily, and oh, the smell is just gorgeous. It's not like those fake strong smelling. It's a real nice scent. And they had banana and I think a melon scent. So yeah, it's strawberry milk body lotion. It's really nice. All right, so we'll go ahead and get into the Shein bag. Just the little pamphlet here. Oh yeah, I got one of those display cases. Either I'm gonna put crystals or some of my tips. I'm waiting to get a big display. I have some of my sets here that I've done that I put on these little, oopsie, stuck together. On these little whatever display sticks here, but I just need to get like a big plastic one or clear one just to display. So yeah, this is cool. So yeah, I just got that. And then of course the little dental bibs. I try to get 1 or 2 every time. And then oh yeah, I thought these were so cute. These are little like lollipops. There's clear, purple, green, and pink. Look how cute those are. And they're not too big. I mean, good size, but super cute little lollipops. And then I went ahead and got some of the pink tacky, just something different. I have the, these were almost gone. I have this color, but I wanted to get the pink, so yeah, I just got the pink. And then some foils. I think there's 10 10 different sheets in here. We'll just go through them kind of fast. Yeah, it's just like a bunch of flowers. Those are pretty. I don't know, I needed more flower foils. Those are cute, the leaves. Yeah, and this is how big the sheet is. Not too big, but it's enough. Oh, these are cute. These are little animals. Oh my gosh. Animals and letters. Oh, how cute. Oh, these are super cute. Little faces on there. Oh, these are really cute for spring. They have little bunnies. Super cute. Those are pretty. Little butterflies and birds. Those are cute. Oh, these are adorable. And then the last one. Oh, those are cute. Alright, and then I got these little wine bottles. Oh, these are bigger than I thought they would be. Just to do like food nails or drink nails, but oh god, these are huge. I thought they looked like they'd be like a little bit smaller, maybe like half the size. Oh my god, that's too funny. I don't know, we'll see. Just got another alcohol bottle. I have this little small one I got at Dollar Tree, but yeah, it's super small. I have to refill it a lot, so I just wanted to get a larger one. And then of course, yeah, I just literally ran out of these brushes yesterday with the set I did. So I absolutely love these micro brushes. I use them to clean up, you know, polish, or to clean up around like the rhinestones if there's too much glue. But yeah, these are wonderful. I absolutely love these. Oh yeah, and then I got these foils. These are super cute. These are the ones that have the little like angel or cherubs, whatever you call them. Super cute, but they have like the flower backgrounds. But I thought they were so pretty. I really like that one. So yeah, I don't have anything like this with the little angels, so I just thought that was super cute. And I'll have everything linked down below too. I always put the links for everything, so if it's available. Most of the time it still is. Some more foils. And these are some more flower. I mostly got this one got these for this one. I have a dress, like a summer dress that has flowers, and it kind of has this pattern on it. So I was like, oh, I'm gonna see if I can do like a matching nail set, but I just thought these were super pretty. That one's pretty too. And then, oh yeah, these little, more of these rhinestones. Yeah, I got 2 different shapes. These are like oval. Okay, I just want to make sure I didn't get the same one. So no, I have like the teardrop shape. Yeah, I want to make sure. I was trying to get different shapes. So yeah, this is the color here. Oh, that beautiful. Let me see with the flash. That beautiful purple, blue, yellow shift. I don't know. These are just, oh, they're beautiful. Look at that. Super pretty. So yeah, these are the oval. And then I got these rectangle. So yeah, these are the rectangle, and this is a greenish with different shifts to it. Look at that. How pretty is that? Gorgeous. Almost done. I didn't get too much this time. Oh yeah, I got one of these magnets because I just got into the cat eye gels and magnetic polishes, so I thought this one was cool. I have a couple magnets, but I like the handle on this, and I don't know, I just thought it looked kind of easy to move them around. So yeah, I just got that. I wanted to get a different kind of nail stand, so I got this, and I'm hoping, oh, these are huge, but they lock, but I'm hoping I'm able to, I have a little on my other stand, hoping I can hoping I can place the, you know, like that. And if I want to do the lazy girl method, I don't know. It looks smaller, you know, of course on the website, but we'll see. But yeah, it looks cute. Looks like it had little fingers, so yeah, we'll see how that works. Oh, and I got some little sticky tabs. I've heard a lot of people say the ones on Shein are good, so just when I want to do like press-ons, just so I don't have to go through the peel-off base coat and all that, I just want to put them on real quick. So yeah, I got these, and I think there's 20 sheets in here. I think that's what it said. Yeah, it says 20 right there, but yeah, 20 sheets of those. And then, oh yeah, these are so different looking. I don't know, they look like rocks or stones. Look how cool those are. Oops. So different. There's a lot of different colors, but look, they look like little stones. Thought they were super cute. Oh my gosh, look at all the colors. And the shifts in them are just gorgeous. And then the last thing, some more foils. All right, so this is the last foil here, and you get 5 sheets. They're all the same. I don't know, I just thought it was a neat little pattern. I don't even really know what kind of a pattern it is, but it's really cute. It's really holographic. It's purple and blue. I don't know, it's not picking it up on here, I guess because of the light. But it's different. I like it. I just still cannot get over these. Oh my gosh, you guys have to get these. These are so different. I've never seen anything like this, and like just how textured they are. They're like little rocks, but they have shimmer. It's kind of hard to tell, but look at that. Oh my gosh, you guys, these are gorgeous. This is my favorite item in here. Oh man, let me see with the flash. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I have those linked down below. All right, so this is everything that I got here. Well, I can't fit the bibs in there, but so yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Like I said, go check out your TJ Maxx. They have some, you know, pretty cool things if you can find them. And I'll go ahead and link everything, the links to everything down below. Thank you guys so much. I really appreciate it, and we'll see you next time. Bye.